Hello everybody, let's start the new year with the great Sony a7R III and the Zeiss Batis 18mm. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today I'm recording with a Sony. Why is that? Because it's more or less the same age as my Leica, but then I have to shoot a new project this coming week, and it's also a lot of interiors, and so I was wondering if with my 28mm that would have been wide enough to shoot interiors in a location, and so a friend of mine said, why don't you bring my Sony and my Zeiss Batis 18mm, so you will have plenty wide glass to shoot interiors. And so I'm also enjoying it because it's the very first time I'm recording with an AF tracking. I hope everything is going as planned, but I'm impressed because of course I have a mic jack, which I didn't have in my Leica, and then this Zeiss lens looks very nice, despite it's quite big, but the video recording mode in the Sony, this is what Sony stands for. They have AF tracking, they have the F aperture on the thumb wheel, and then the glass makes the difference. And so, assuming I will be recording in 24p and that I am still in focus as we speak, because with 18mm I'm a bit far away, despite it's only a couple meters away the camera from me. Probably I should move closer so my face is big enough, but let's see if the camera is available to track me. So stay tuned, because I will be comparing the two cameras, Leica and Sony. They have more or less the same age. It was 2017, 2018, give or take a year for the release of both, and so the technology is more or less aligned. But Sony, they had this alien technology for tracking the AF and the I with future release. This camera, the a7R III, became and still is a very valid choice for professionals. So stay tuned, because we're gonna be talking about it more and more the next few days. I will now go and hit downtown and see what I can do with this 18mm. Probably the most important thing would be the difference in vlogging, because I can hold it at the arm distance and be sure that it's tracking me. But apart from that, guys, I will let you know if I'm not getting lost into the Sony menu and how it works. I'm sure I'm having great results. The resolution is 40 megapixel and something, 42, I will have to double check, but it was the top notch for when it was released. So stay tuned, Zeiss versus Leica, and who knows who is the winner. Thank you, bye bye.